Hey guys, welcome back to NSI Garage. Today we have a 1985 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL. This beautiful car is in here today because it's idling way too high. We've already determined that it's not a vacuum leak. All the hoses are good. I'm going to walk you through to tell if either the idle air control motor is bad or if the idle air control module is bad. And that's a very common problem on these that a lot of people don't know what they are or that they even exist. So we're going to go through it and I'll show you exactly what it's doing and then the steps of how to diagnose it. So, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the yellow and black wire over here, that is your ground, and we had no power coming to the solid black wire for our idle air control motor. So I'm going to switch the modules now, and I'm going to show you what we have. To take the glove box out, there's just 4 little push pins that slide out and the whole glove box comes out, and the module is actually back here to the left. Not these ones on the right, but off here to the left. It's held in by one little screw and the whole thing slides out. I already have the new one installed, but I'm going to show you how to test the old one out to see if it's any good or not. And what you're going to be looking for is any corrosion or broken solder joints. So we're going to plug this back into the car like that. So we're going to plug this back into the car how it is. And then we're just going to twist it as the car is running. If the idle changes while you're twisting the board, then this is bad. So on that run, I had strong 12 volts right to the idler motor and a good ground. So the correct repair for this problem on this vehicle would be the idle control module. You can find them online for about $200 refurbished. You can take them apart and try to resolder everything. It's just not really worth it as far as, the long term. And that's your solution for your high idle problem on your old Mercedes. Thanks for watching NSI Garage. Please subscribe, please like. Thank you.